Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with TJ. Today I just got my end of the month review. Now I know this is December 1st, but I missed last month because Thanksgiving break and all that. Hopefully you all had a good Thanksgiving too. I just wanted to talk about my channel and what I'm gonna do, things like that, just to give you guys a little glimpse to the inside of what I'm thinking about. So the first thing I wanted to say is thank you to everyone that subscribed. I think at the time of recording this, I'm at 149 subscribers. So, that's awesome. I didn't even think that was going to be happening this fast. My goal was, when I created this YouTube channel, to get 100 subscribers at the end of the year. And I've already surpassed that by almost 50. So thank you guys so much for hitting that subscribe button. I guess another thing I'm gonna work on doing is just some more tech reviews, things like that. That homelab series, I'm gonna start kicking that back up, just with the holidays coming around, the season and all that. I would like to have more time to record that stuff, to really explain it and go through things. So that's kind of why it's been real spotty, and by real spotty I only have one video. So just wanted to let you guys know that I am still doing that. It's just taking me a little bit. But yeah, trying to think of what else. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do more tech reviews, so I got more products coming up for you. I have a keyboard review. I got a new iPad, which I'm gonna show off. I have my MacBook, they're both just the M1. Well, one's the M1 Pro. So I'm gonna make like a "Is it worth it" video. But yeah, so I'm trying to, also I guess in the comment section, I'm trying to, on my videos, I want more comments from y'all, and I know that that's not like on you guys, like I'm not gonna be like, you guys have to comment, but just let me know in the comments what I can do to have more engagement, I guess is the thing. I would like to hear some feedback from y'all more often, and so that's just something I'm gonna work on. But yeah, that's kind of really all I got for you guys today. Kind of a short update, because nothing major has happened really. So I just wanted to let you know what's going on. Like I said, I'm trying to do these end of the month channel updates, just to thank you guys for watching my videos. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one.